Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn like how you can tag the input in the array using the loop and how you can find the sum of all its elements. Alright, so let's get started. So the program is sum of array elements. As we know, what is the array? That is the collection of elements having same data type. Alright, so first of all we need to include our basic header file, that is stdio.h, that is for the basic input output. Okay, then we are going to write our entry point, which is the main function, and I will return 0 from here. Okay, now let us declare our array, that is int a of 5. Here a is the name of array, 5 is the size of array, and you can see int is a data type of array. Okay, as we know, array is the collection of elements having same data type. Means our here in this array we are going to have 5 elements of the same data type integer. Now we will give a message to the user to enter elements. Okay, so the user will enter. So we know that for the array, if there are 5 elements, so the indexing will start with 0. So the first element will be a of 0, then the second element will be a of 1, so on, and the last element will be a of 4. Okay, in order to take the input in these elements, we are going to use our for loop. So I will start for, but for the for loop again I need a variable. So I take a variable with the name I, and I will start the loop from 0 since the indexing is starting from 0. Up to which point I want to use? I want to use it less than 5 because the last element will be 4 only. Then I plus plus, that is for the increment, and here I will take what? Scan f. Okay, and we will do %d, and where you want to take the value at the address of a of I. So first time the value will go inside a of 0, then a of 1, then a of 2, then a of 3, then a of 4. Okay, so this is how you can take the input. Now what I want to find the sum. So I will write sum is equal to 0, and over here there are two things. Either you can do directly over here, say sum is equal to whatever is the previous value of sum plus a of I. Because using the scanf, already we inserted the value at a of 0 or a of 1 or a of 2. So we inserted the value at a of I, and then I am using that value at the a of I with sum. Okay. Or you can create a separate for loop over here and write the separate code for sum, but that is not a good idea. Okay. So now we have the sum. Now simply printf sum of all the elements is %d, and let us print the value of sum. It's done. Let's run it. So first of all, it will ask us for the values. Then at the same time, it will do the sum and show us the sum at the output screen. Okay. So let me enter the element 12, 13, 2, 3 and 5. Now when I press enter, sum of all the elements is 35. Alright. I hope this is clear. Thank you.